The Election Commission of India has announced the schedule for assembly elections in 4 states and 1 union territory. Polling will be held in Assam, Kerala, and Puducherry on April 9th, while Tamil Nadu will vote on April 23rd. West Bengal will go to the polls in 2 phases, April 23rd and April 29th. Counting of votes for all 5 will take place on May 4th. Chief Election Commissioner Gyanesh Kumar said voting will be conducted at over 2.19 lakh polling stations. More than 25 lakh election officials will be deployed. Around 17.4 crore voters are expected to cast their votes. The Election Commission said the Model Code of Conduct has come into effect immediately after the announcement of the schedule. The terms of the current assemblies end between May and June, with West Bengal's term ending first on May 7th, followed by Tamil Nadu on May 10th, Assam on May 20th, Kerala on May 23rd, and Puducherry on June 15th. Political contests are expected to be intense. In Assam, the BJP-led alliance is seeking a third consecutive term under Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. In Tamil Nadu, Chief Minister M.K. Stalin will attempt to retain power for the DMK-led alliance. In Kerala, Chief Minister and the Left Democratic Front will seek another term after their historic re-election in 2021. Meanwhile, West Bengal is expected to witness a high-stakes battle with Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress defending its strong majority from the last election. The Election Commission has also announced by-elections in several states, including the Baramati constituency in Maharashtra, which fell vacant after the death of Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar in a plane crash earlier this year. The by-polls will also be held in Gujarat, Goa, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Nagaland, and Tripura. The vacant Davangere South and Bagalkot seats in Karnataka will go to polls on 9th April, and the results will be announced on May 4th.